Okay, here's another one. Still at 720p at 60 frames per second, low light situation. Okay, this is 720p at 60 frames per second. Okay, this one is 2K and at 30 frames per second at low light situation. Video test.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching Asking Charlie. In today's episode, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, may binili akong webcam from eMeet na mabibili to sa Lazada at saka sa Shopee. So, basically, ito yung box na yon. Okay, eMeet. Okay. Kaya gusto ko i-share sa inyo to dahil kung may budget kayo between 1,500 to 2,000, swap to dun sa budget na to. Mas lalo kung 4K yung hinahanap nyo. Okay? Well, of course, bakit ka nagpo 4K? Siyempre, gusto mo mas quality yung video na makikita sa'yo pag nagwe-webcam ka, siguro nag-e-selling ka. So, actually, okay to. Para ka na rin nag cellphone, di ba? May cellphone ka, yan, na may 4K at least diretso na sa PC mo pag nag-record ka kaysa kinakain yung storage ng cellphone mo. So, that's one option that you could do using a 4K camera dito sa sa laptop mo o sa desktop PC mo, okay, or sa MacBook mo or sa Mac computer mo na Apple. And what else? Yun, kasi nga mura siya, 4K pa, no? Saan ka pa, di ba? Tapos most likely effective siya. Okay. So aside from mga mga online meetings mo, magagamit mo rin to sa product review. Pwede mo siyang itaas na ganun, taas nakatutok. Okay. And by the way, hindi lang tong model na to ang meron sila. May mas mahal pa at mas magagandang features. Meron silang dual camera, yung eMeet, may dual camera. Meron pa silang Zoom, tapos yung iba may remote pa. So, yun. Kung kaya mo pa yung mas matataas na budget, no? May mas mataas kang budget up to 5,000 pesos, 6,000 pesos. Di dun ka, no? Pero this one, yung model na to, ito yung po-promote natin ngayon, no? So, swak na swak sa budget at 4K naman. You just have to be creative using the camera. So, what are we waiting for? Let's do some testing and more testing about this camera. So, para makita nyo yung features niya. Okay, at saka yung capability niya. Kung para sa inyo ba, quality to. Kasi sa akin, quality siya. Okay, so let's go! Woo!
Okay, this is a 1080p at 30 frames per second sample video. Just want to show you how it looks like in low light situation.
And this one is still 1080p but at 30 frames per second. And let's check the autofocus. It's still focusing and I'm blurred at the background. Actually, my shirt is still blurred. Okay, so it works. There you go. I'm focused again. Hello.
Okay, this is again another 1080p at 60 frames per second.
Okay, this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. Okay, testing in the autofocus. Is it focusing? Yes, because I'm blurred at the background. So that's 1080p at 60 frames per second.
Okay, this one is 2K and at 30 frames per second.
Okay, here's another sample. This is around 2.5 or 2K at 30 frames per second. This is the quality of the video with lights on. Okay, this is a test video recording and I'm using the Wondershare Filmora 12.5 version. And with this app, it's an editing app, but you could also record yourself using a webcam. Okay, and you could also do voiceover and PC recording, desktop recording. There you go. And yeah, I chose also the microphone wireless. So you could also do that in the setup when you're capturing video using the webcam. Okay, so right now, the setup, the resolution is around 4K. This is the maximum. And it's at 30 frames per second.
Okay, I forgot to mention, this has autofocus. So this is an autofocus test. Is it focusing? Yes, it is. So I'm blur here at the background and it's focusing on the other subject, which is the box. Okay.
Okay, boys and girls. So, ito yung EMIT, no, na USB webcam, USB-A, no. It's a 4K version. They have a lesser version, a 1080p. This one, if you buy this, maximum 4K, then it goes down to 2K, actually 2.5, and then 1080p, 4K 30 frames per second, 2K 30 frames per second, and 1080p 60 and 30 frames per second. I think it can still go down to 720. Okay, so this is the box that you're gonna get. Okay, if you're gonna buy this in Lazada or Shopee, they have an official page there. Now, EMIT. Okay, so let's check on the unit. Okay, this is the unit. Please excuse the thumbprints. So that's the problem with this glossy one. It can easily get some fingerprints when you use it, so you have to clean it every now and then. Okay, so this is how the unit looks like. Okay, I'm gonna turn it. So this is the back side. So this is the cable going to the camera at the back. It has some notes here based on international standards. This one, the cover is separate in the box, and it has a double-sided tape. So you have to tape it here at the middle. My style is I put a little space here and to cover the lens for privacy in case somebody's hacking you and you don't know. Always cover your lens, your cell phone lens, your laptop lens, and your webcam lens. Okay, that's why they put it here. Now, if you watch the movie Snowden, America is watching you, or China. So at the bottom, there's a screw here where you could use a third party like this one. You could screw it at the top, and if you want your camera to be used for another purpose aside from webcam for meetings or recording yourself on your laptop or your PC. And this portion, the bottom one, this is the one that it's basically a clip. You latch it on the top of the monitor here and then lock it at the back like so. And what else? So in front, you'll see the lens here. At the left side, you'll see EMIT, and on the right side, you'll see 4K autofocus. Yes, this one's autofocus. I hope you've seen my test already on the start of the video. So that's the sample videos. Okay. So again, this is USB. So USB means USB-A. So there you go. USB-A. So you're gonna plug it in to the laptop here. If you have an extension, if you don't have enough, buy an extended USB extension. Okay. So yeah, basically that's what the product looks like out of the box. Thank you very much. Okay, this is how I do my laptop setup. So I just put it on top there, and I put a little screen there, paper, to cover the existing one from the laptop, the original webcam incorporated on the laptop. So right now, the EMIT 4K webcam is on top. So we use the clip that I mentioned. So that's how you clip it. Iipit mo lang dyan at diskartehan mo na lang kung paano yung direksyon ng ng camera. Okay, so of course isisentro mo depende sa trip mo. So by the way, nakalimutan ko sabihin kanina na na-adjust mo yung ito. Yeah, so hindi mo na kailangan i-adjust yung ang problema kasi dati, 'di ba, walang ganito. So hindi mo na a-adjust yung direksyon ng lente mo. Okay, so pwede mo ma-adjust yung height lang ng ulo mo. Of course, may maximum to, no? May maximum lang na angulo. So, yan. Okay, so nakikita nyo ngayon na app. Okay, yung nakikita nyo na app ngayon is yung default na camera. Ito yon, camera ng Windows. Okay, kung ito gagamitin nyo, punta kayo sa setup para makita nyo kung bakit yung quality ng video ay medyo mababa. Kasi nga, ito, yan. Pag pumunta kayo, may camera setup. Pag gusto nyong ayusin yung mo, pwede kang rule of thirds, yung ganito. Parang same din ng ano sa camera ng ano mo, ng telepono mo. May mga framing siya. Tapos what else? Photo settings din. No, makakapili ka. Ang maximum 8.3 megapixel. Okay? Tapos 3.7 megapixel. Okay, ito yun sa default na camera ng Windows. Okay? So, siyempre mahalaga sa akin yung video. So, makikita mo sa listahan ay, meron lang 2.1 or 2K, tapos susunod 1.4K, then tapos 1080p at 60 frames. Yung 2K niya, 2.1 is 30 frames per second, tapos 1.4 niya, almost 1.5, 30 frames per second, 16 by 9. So, yan yung pwede mong gamitin pang YouTube. Of course, meron pa rin 720 and smaller, just in case meron kang requirement na magpadala ka ng video interview, tapos mas mababa yung kailangan para mai-attach mo, no? Yun, good enough, no, but not high enough na it will take up too much memory or storage. Okay, so yan yung sa setup. Okay. Mic check. Okay, and you could also download their software firmware eMeet here at the emeet.com. Okay, so just try to find this one, and if you're using Windows PC, this is the one that you're gonna click. If you're using Mac OS, then this one is the one that you're going to click. Once you click it, it's gonna download and ask what file or where you're gonna save the file. So it's up to you whether you save it in drive C or another drive like D or E or whatever hard disk drive or SD drive that you have. Once you download, this is what you will see. So this is the interface of the eMeet software. Okay. So on the right, you could do some backlight compensation, maybe if there is no light, but that's too bright for me. So let's remove that. And then you have autofocus. It's on autofocus. If you remove the autofocus, then there won't be any autofocus. Obviously, you have to do manual. So it's best to put it in autofocus. And then you could do also video customization. You could do black and white. I like black and white. And then they have this LUT called the cartoon. It's basically yellowish and a little bit of a sort of classic old movie theme. And then you have customization. So customization, by the way, they have anti-flicker. You have 50 hertz and 60 hertz. So maybe if you could put it in 60 hertz, it should have less flicker. And on the bottom, you have images, settings. So you could do brightness, etc. So this is for the video and this is for the camera setting. And what else? And then if you're confused, you just restore defaults. Okay. So there you go. I think then you could check about the firmware here at the upper right of the monitor of the viewfinder, and then you could also go to product FAQ if you have any questions about the product. And what else? So this is the preview switch, and that's the preview switch. eMeet SmartCam 60E 4K. So that's the complete name of this product, of this model. Okay, it's C60E 4K SmartCam eMeet, or a webcam. Okay, so that's the video portion of this. I just want to show you the eMeet software, and if you're using this, it could also upgrade your firmware once they have any updates. Okay, so that's it for this part of the video. Oh, by the way, you could buy this product, this item, eMeet C60E 4K here in Shopee. Just go to the eMeet shop. It costs around 1,500. And in Lazada, you could also buy it here. And this is the one, the C60E. And if you click that, There you go. You will see this lady. She's the face of eMeet, probably a seller. So this one cost here around 1.6. If you want the one with the stand, it's gonna cost you additional. It's gonna be almost 2,000. But I'm sure if you manage to find some vouchers and if you participate in some activities in the Lazada app, hopefully you could reduce this price. Okay. And then let's go back to Shopee. So this is the eMeet price tag just 1,449 here in Shopee, and it's part of eMeet Direct. I think they own both shops anyway. So this is for what? So this is for the no kit, and for the kit it's almost 1,850. Okay, so it's cheaper here. I don't know why. Are we here? Yeah, it's in Lazada. It's eMeet official store. And why are they more expensive? I do not know. So anyway, again, this is available in Shopee and in Lazada. And that ends our show for today about eMeet 4K webcam. So we did some testing. You saw the quality. If you want to buy this at Lazada or Shopee, or you could click the tags, product tags below here in YouTube. Okay, so again, USB webcam from eMeet 4K. Okay, 4K. Okay, so see you on the next video.